Welcome back and thank you so much for staying with us. Tonight, a family is trying desperately to find Donnelly Donaldson, who they last saw on Monday when she drove away from her home with her boyfriend. Kirk Wright has the details.
When Donnelly Donaldson left home with her boyfriend, who is a policeman, on Monday night, her family didn't find it strange because it's something she often did. But a call from her boyfriend the following day asking if anyone knew where she was sounded off alarm bells.
My sister said, why would you call me to ask me that when she left with you from Monday? He said she left the house about 11 o'clock because they had an argument and he was upset. That was a Tuesday after he came for her.
Donnelly has not been seen or heard from since her disappearance, now the subject of a police investigation. Family members say they're getting conflicting accounts from her boyfriend.
When I was with the police on Wednesday night, I was telling the police that my daughter was speaking with even her father at a certain time. And he jumped up and said, I overheard her talking to her father too.
Who said that? The policeman, your boyfriend?
The boyfriend. So I went back and I said, if she leave at 11, how can you hear her father talking to her at 1? Something not right.
According to a source, a commotion was heard at the boyfriend's apartment after another female known to the couple arrived.
I said to him, this apartment at Chelsea must have a camera. Can you run the camera to see who took my daughter from the premises? He was like, oh, you're right. I'm going to call you back in half an hour because I'm not there. And then when he called me back, he was like, Mom, the amount of cars that go through, the security said they can't pick up which one of the cars bring your daughter.
The family is hurting and wants the police to act swiftly in their investigations. The people find curious a recent call from a man who identified himself only as a police officer who told them the boyfriend and a close companion of his are being investigated about the matter.
The officer that she talked to who have the case, now have none of that information with that officer call her and tell her. So for me, I only think that this is a go around because them don't want her to go to Indicom. Because that's what she said in plain word. The officer said to her, don't bother need to go to Indicom because presently we have them in questioning.
But when contacted, Commander of the St. Andrew Central Police, SSP Marlon Nisbet, told TVJ News that this is a high-profile matter which is being dealt with urgency. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.